Dude, I am starving. You guys want to go eat?
Yeah, bro, let's hit it.
Let's roll out.
People want to eat healthy. Larry's is the only sub shop that uses all natural and antibiotic-free meats and cheeses on their subs and salads. Fresh, healthy, delicious. No matter how dirty you get, you can always eat clean.
See you guys next week.
Larry's Giant Subs.